Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trades News coming to you live from Bangkok, guys. So let's jump into the content without any further delay. Remember, everything you see here is not financial advice. It's just an OG in-house expressing my opinion. We've got lots to talk about, absolutely lots to talk about. Do go back and watch all my other videos. We'd appreciate it. So let's jump into the content without any further delay. So right now we're seeing that the DXY is going up, guys. So that is not good. That's absolutely not good. We're going to be talking about Ethereum. What does that mean? We're going to be talking about the live dates for the merge, guys and gals. And this is still not too late to jump into Ethereum and get crazy into Ethereum, guys. So let's take a look at what's going on in the crypto markets right now. We're seeing right now that overall the crypto markets are still going up. We're seeing that Ethereum is just insane right now, and it's up 5.88%. And Bitcoin hit a high of almost 24,800. We're going to be talking about that. What does that mean? Why we are not able to get past that $25,000 resistance level. Also, we're going to talk about Ethereum too. Ethereum is also seeing some resistance, so we're going to be talking about that. And right now, we can see, don't wait until Ethereum reaches $2,000 to grab this. Absolutely, if you guys are still seeing Ethereum under $2,000, remember this is not financial advice, you absolutely should ape in to Ethereum because sooner than later we're going to see Ethereum easily touch $3,000. So like I said to my members today, I bought 10K worth of Bitcoin and I picked up about 20K worth of Ethereum, guys. So I'm aping into Ethereum. Sure, a lot of people saying, oh, the prices are high, but this is going to be nothing compared to where Ethereum is going to be, actually going to be by the middle of September, guys. So also too, we can see that right now we're seeing that Ethereum is flying off exchanges. Why Bitcoin, we're seeing a lot of Bitcoin right now absolutely moving in the opposite direction. A lot of people are actually starting to sell some of their Bitcoin, and one of the reasons they're doing that is they're selling because they want to accumulate Ethereum, because they think that they're going to get absolutely a big bang for the buck out there. So you definitely want to be aping into Ethereum, and it's absolutely not going to hurt. And I heard some forecasts by 2030 we could see Ethereum hitting as high as $49,000, guys. So that is absolutely amazing in the membrane. So it's not too late, from my opinion. This is what I'm doing. It's not financial advice, but I'm definitely picking up some more Ethereum, guys. So we can see right now that if you look at the key matrix this week for Ethereum, we're seeing that we've had almost $1.2 billion worth of exchange of Ethereum flowing off exchanges, guys. Almost $1.2 billion worth of Ethereum has flown off exchanges. But we're seeing absolutely the opposite direction for Bitcoin. We're seeing almost $344 million worth of Bitcoin has gone back onto exchange. So it's absolutely not too late to get into Ethereum. Let's take a look at what's going on with Ethereum right now. As you can see, Ethereum, it keeps touching this $2,000 level and keeps getting rejected. So we've really not been able to breach past the $2,000 level. We have right now we have this beautiful cup and handle pattern that's all the way here. You can see the bottom of the cup and you can see the handle here. So from that perspective, if we draw from the neckline down to the base, we should be looking at approximately around about $2,500 for Ethereum, if not higher. So let's take a look at the base, go from the base all the way here, and let's move that over to the point of breakout. So we could be seeing Ethereum probably getting as high, in my opinion, we could see Ethereum getting as high as almost $3,000. So we could be seeing anywhere from between $2,800 to $3,000 incoming for Ethereum, and that's going to come sooner than later. And don't forget, we've got Vitalik in the house, and he is absolutely talking about that the day that we're going to see the Ethereum merge is going to be on September 15th, roughly. And when the terminal total difficulty has been set to this level, so this is basically terminal difficulty on the block. When we hit that block, we're absolutely going to be seeing Ethereum start to pump, guys. And remember that the amount of staked Ethereum on the Beacon chain, it's not going to all be released at once. I mean, I previously thought that I was corrected. I absolutely was corrected out there, and we're going to be seeing that the Ethereum is going to be released slowly, and that's going to be good because it's not going to create this whole long squeeze on Ethereum that's going to take the price down. So that is very good, and you guys should be loving that as well. So what else is coming out for Ethereum right now? So it's absolutely not too late to be loading up on Ethereum. Definitely you guys want to be doing that. Also, this is coming in as well from Stock Money Lasers. We can see that if you take a look at the 2013, 2016 fractal right now, we can see that the macro structure is repeating. It's almost identical. And then after 2013, we had this breakout here. We also had this point here, and then we had a huge breakout in 2016, 2013, 2016. So I'm pretty confident, and Stock Money Lasers is pretty confident that we're seeing very similar patterns right now. So that is pretty good, and we can see this peak, and we are about to enter into this huge flip. We're going to start to see the markets flip, and when they flip, we're going to start to be a positive bull run to the upside, guys. So it is starting. It's absolutely starting. I don't believe this is a fake out. It's been quite some time since the CPI data has come out, so I believe that this is not a fake out. So this is also just coming in as well from Stock Money Lasers. Bitcoin has just crawled back into the giant falling wedge in 2019. This meant that the last days before are 300% uptrend. So similarly, we can see that the chain kin money flow is forming a familiar wedge, with the tip being in a strongly oversold zone. So we're seeing that Bitcoin is oversold right now, and we're seeing that after Bitcoin did drop out of the falling wedge and then crawl back in. After that, we did see a 300% pump in 2019. So I believe we could be seeing a pump of similar magnitude out there. So what do you guys think? Smash the likes. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Do you think that we're seeing that these two fractals are pretty close? Do you think that we're going to get a huge pump coming in soon, guys? Tell me what you think. When do you think that pump's going to happen? Is it going to be in days? Is it going to be in weeks? Is it going to be in months? So I really want to hear what you're going to say about that. So smash the likes, boot the likes, and don't forget, if you're watching in the live stream, you can always give super chats, and if you're not watching in the live streams, you can always give super thanks. So go down there and give some super thanks, and don't forget to boot the likes and show the YouTube algorithm that you're loving this content, guys. And the only way you can do that is share this content, comment, smash the likes, guys. Let's get the message out there. I would really appreciate it. So it looks like the S&P right now is decoupling, or is BTC just lagging behind the S&P V-shaped recovery? I mean, from my perspective, I think there is a little bit of decoupling out there, and I think that is overall good for Bitcoin, because we don't want to be dragged down by the broader markets and the macroeconomic indicators out there. I really believe that Bitcoin is definitely going to run and have a huge run to the upside, and when that happens, it's going to take Doge up there, it's going to take Shiba Inu up there, and Ethereum is absolutely about to explode in the house, guys. So don't miss it, guys. Absolutely don't miss it. Like I said, if Ethereum is still under $2,000, this is absolutely a huge time to be picking up as much Ethereum as you can, guys. Life-changing wealth is absolutely around the corner, guys. And when we have this whole merge, we're going to see that Ethereum out there. This is equal to a triple halving, guys. Absolutely equal to a triple halving. As I talked about in my previous, we're moving from proof of stake, from proof of work to proof of stake, so that miners won't have to sell their Ethereum to cover electrical costs. We're seeing that Ethereum is going to be truly deflationary. We're going to see more and more burns for Ethereum, and the amount of tokens that are going to be minted for Ethereum is going to be going down, guys. So that is huge, guys. Buckle up, absolutely buckle up. It's insane in the membrane, guys. So get it. Looks like a new Union Bank of Philippines to enable users to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrency from its app. So that is huge, guys. So we're seeing that the adoption, the love of cryptocurrency, the love of Bitcoin, and everything is just happening, and it's happening faster than governments can keep up, guys. So I thought this was funny. It looks like from Elon Musk, but I have seen my sex tape, so I just thought that was kind of fun. So if you think that's funny, chuckle, and don't forget to boot the likes, smash the likes. I would really appreciate it, guys. And don't forget to secure your crypto. Absolutely secure your crypto. If your crypto is on centralized exchange or on lending platforms, if you don't control the keys, you don't control the crypto, go down there, check my Nano Ledger links, and get yourself a Nano Ledger. I would appreciate it. Show some love for the OG in the house. So right now for Bitcoin, we're seeing that Bitcoin is really keeps getting rejected at the $25,000 level. We've been rejected once, twice, and we keep getting beaten down. I believe that from what I see, I think that overall we are definitely going to be getting past $25,000. It's just a matter of time. I don't know if it's going to happen today or tomorrow, but definitely we are seeing that all the indicators, all the TA is definitely calling for us for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies have flipped. And we're going to start to flip a bullish. I mean, the bull run is not confirmed yet, so you still need to be very cautious out there. I mean, don't put all your dry powder. What I'm doing is I'm still dollar cost averaging, any kind of spare change that I have. I'm still moving it into Bitcoin, moving it into Ethereum, and I'm still doing that, guys. I'm absolutely still doing that, because I think that life-changing wealth is just around the corner, guys. And this is not only life-changing, it could be generational life-changing wealth. So if you think that is fine, and if you think that's cool, smash the like, subscribe, I appreciate it. So what else is going on? If you take a look at Bitcoin on the daily right now, Bitcoin on the daily, we're still seeing a green candle, so that is pretty cool beans. And we just have over 1 day left on this weekly candle, and then it's going to close, and then that's going to confirm another weekly candle, and we're doing pretty good. We've had two green weeks, one very marginal red. I mean, on some charts it is showing green, and some charts are showing red, and then this week is definitely going to be slam bam, thank you ma'am, it's definitely going to be a green candle out there, so that's looking good. And now if you take a look at the Doja Wozher out there, so Doja Wozher is at 0730, and you can see right now that there seems to be some support right now at around about the 0730, some very light support. So we have a huge support at 068, and it looks like we are just forming a nice support zone at 0730. We did see Doge go as high today as 0.75 in-house, so it looks like Dogecoin is, it's looking very bullish, and it's absolutely the beginnings of a huge pump to the upside. Now a lot of people say, oh, a huge pump to the upside, what are you talking about? But guys, don't forget that only the 28th of July, Dogecoin was in the 5-cent territory. So guys and gals, we are absolutely making some moves in the right direction for Dogecoin. So you can see here that Dogecoin has gone up almost 23%. From where we are, almost 19% right now. If we go to the highs that we had previously, that's almost 24%. So Doge has actually been making some moves in the last 2 weeks or so, and that's up over between 19 to 24%, depending on your perspective out there. So Doge is looking bullish from my perspective, and we're gearing on up. We're seeing that Shiba Inu is also just trending in the right direction. We're seeing that Shiba Inu right now is painting higher lows, so that is pretty good. That's absolutely pretty good. Sorry about all the noise, the traffic behind me, but things are looking pretty good for Shiba Weeby right now. Let's take a look at the leverage apes. Let me give this a minute to refresh, guys, out there. Keep in mind my internet out here is not very good, and we're seeing that right now for the leverage apozoids, we're seeing about $306 million worth of wreckage. So that's about $306 million have been lost, and that's around about 62,000 traders. And we're seeing that right now on the hourly time frames, we're seeing a majority of long. So we just have to keep an eye on things and be prepared for Bitcoin to lose a little bit of steam. I mean, we did see that Bitcoin today was at a high of around about 20. Bitcoin today did get a high of around about 24,900, just gingerly shy of the 25,000, and then we got a rejection. And every time we hit the $25,000 area or get close to it, we do get a sharp rejection to the downside. So guys, do keep on keeping on. Don't panic. Don't worry out there. Let's take a look at what's going on right now with the markets right now. Let me give this a minute to refresh, see what's going on. Sorry, the internet is just... So we're seeing that right now the total market cap is about 1.20 trillion, and we're seeing that the 24-hour volume is about 47.7. So it's a little bit like we're seeing the Bitcoin dollars is coming down, and it looks like we are going to be breaking into 38% zone pretty soon for that. So that is cool beans. Absolutely cool beans. Let's take a look at the coinage in the house. Let's absolutely take a look at coinage now. So today, spent the whole day with the family, roamed around Bangkok, had a nice lunch with the wife. So that is cool, guys. You guys can see behind me, this is kind of the front of the building out here. So we're seeing that right now that Bitcoin is still up 2.85% on the 24-hour basis. So that's pretty good, even at $24,504. So that is cool. We're seeing Ethereum is just gingerly shy of $2,000. So from my perspective, any price that is below $2,000 is absolutely a good buy out there. And it's Ethereum on discount. I mean, by the September 15th, when we have this merge and Ethereum's at $3,000, you guys will definitely be kicking yourselves in the behind, saying, I should have listened to the OG. I should have picked up some Ethereum, guys. So get it. We're seeing BNB as well as doing pretty good. It's up 3%. We're seeing ADA is doing phenomenally right now. It's at 56 cents. So that is pretty good. We're seeing Solana is up as well. And also too, we're seeing DOT is up. We're seeing Doge is up 3.53%. So everything is looking pretty good out there. So we're seeing more green than red. We're seeing Shiba Inu is up 2.9%. And we're seeing Matic is on fire right now. It's up at 10.85% at 101. So that is looking very good, guys. So that's going to bring this video to a close. Do not forget to go and follow me on my Twitter. I would appreciate it. Go down there, smash the likes, show some love for the OG, subscribe, YB. Don't forget to check out all my linky links, guys. All the links are down below. I would appreciate it. We got the Dogecoin tippy jar. Show some love. Send some Dogecoin my way. I would appreciate it. And don't forget we got the Nano Ledger affiliate link. Buy the channel a coffee and become a Patreon member. I would appreciate it. And guys, do get the merch. Gear up with the OG gear. Get the cap. Get the cap, get the mug, get everything that you want. And remember, all the merch, all the membership, all this goes to support charity. So I love it. You love it. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace out.